Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshun Hima.
Ka Raj Bhavan ni ka sngi ka larkhe ka Rashtriya Ekta Divas ni ka National Unity Day Darbar Hall Shillong bankan mau buram ni ka sngi kha jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Bakran ni ka sngi ulan ka jila UCH Vijay Shankar ulero ki bulet ka jila ki BSF CRPF ki nohi kai ber ki khana school ki balawan bane shimenta ha ni ka sngi ka bakrau. Ula ongru ba ki kam ki bakrau ki ba Sardar Patel ulale ka penong ki pat ba jong kari ban khot yu kumu Iron Man of India balatei bat wanra ai ka Jingïatylli jong kari barok ka wei bat ban kan tiu ru ya ka yok ka kot jong ka shu ula pen kan mau ru i ka jinghikai ki ba ula yo ha ki por ba udang dei u khana school ba ki riu sniu kim dan tang shabar jong ka khapot hendai ki don hapo kari ula ong ba ka Jingïatreilang ba ka Jingïatylli ki don kam ban ai ka Ïada yala ka jong kari na ki Nongshun ula kan tui ki Nongshong shnong banong ki ba pet ngor na ki jing sniu ki ba wan om tang na shabar hendai hapdeng jong iru ki don ki bathmu ban penjat bat penprai ka Jingïatylli u Vijay Shankar ula ajinya ro i umtri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi nama lingba jong u man la ka snam la rakhe ka ni ka sngi bakarpang kata ka National Unity Day ha ka leng kari
solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and action of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thanks to all of you. The Honorable Prime Minister of this country and moreover, this kind of activities makes us to recall our earlier days. I make one thing very clear here. One who do not know their history, they cannot create history. During 94-95, I was in the assembly as assembly member. By that time, I was in the subject committee of Revenue and Forest. By that time, I got an opportunity to go to Andaman Nicobar. I think probably all of you might have visited Andaman Nicobar. You being the defense officers, naturally get opportunities to go and visit that area. If at all anybody, some of our students or some of the other dignitaries not able to visit that place, better visit once Andaman Nicobar. What is the speciality? We have to morning, our officers told when we have been visited to Andaman Nicobar, the first visit was to the cellular jail. I called our officers and we came to know the sacrifice, the dedication, the contribution of our forefathers, their dreams. If at all once India became independent, how India would be? Their dreams. You have to go and see that. Their sacrifice, we should know by going and visiting that place. Their contribution to this nation. So today also, when I have seen some of the activities of BSF, actually tears had come in my eyes. the Prime Minister of this country, earlier Prime Minister of this country, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, he told we people, Jai Jawan, पहला शब्द ये लिया उन्होंने, जय जवान. Second thing, Jai Kisan. He made us to understand the responsibility and commitment and concern and dedication and sacrifice of a soldier. And second thing, sacrifice of a farmer. Sacrifice of a farmer. So, in that way, actually, I am very happy to be with you, particularly in this program. How many of them have been visited on Manipur? Kindly raise your hands if you don't mind. Rest of the others better visit once to Andaman Nicobar. Better visit once. It is part of our country. Many of them we feel we have to go outside to visit some of the places. I feel first we have to visit of our own country. Visit of our own country from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Respected officers, member of the Central Armed Force, Meghalaya Police, teachers, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be here today on this occasion to celebrate Rashtriya Ekata Divas. The birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. When we remember the name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, some of our teachers during I think our school days, they have told we people one thing. Probably you are very much aware of such things, and usually now we used to see the incidents not only outside the border, but are all the incidents taking place within the country also. Our teacher, by that time only, I think probably 40 years back, don't you think that only enemies outside the border, don't you think that our enemies only outside the border, even inside the border also, within us also, many enemies are there. If at all we are not aware of them, our unity and integrity, that threat always remains. This is what our teacher long back they have been told. Enemy is not only outside the border, even within also. By seeing day-to-day incident, what is happening within ourselves, that also seriously we have to think. Not only in the border, not only outside the border, within the border also. Because many of them, they do not tolerate progress of our country, unity of our country. So it is our duty ultimately to maintain the unity and integrity, not only unity and integrity, the decorum and dignity of Bharat Mata. It is our duty to restore it. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel was not only a great administrator but also a man of integrity and boldness, who believed that India's strength lies in its unity. Through his determination and leadership, he integrated more than 560 princely states into one nation, including our Mysore also. Because I am coming from Mysore, including Mysore also. Laid the foundation for unity, stability, and progress as a nation. His diplomacy, courage, and clarity of vision ensured that India remained united as one sovereign nation. It was because of his decisive leadership of Sardar Patel that territories spread across the diverse region, culture, and historic came together to form a cohesive nation. Sardar Patel's historic work in national integration is rightly considered one of the greatest political achievements of the 20th century. Understanding that good governance was the backbone of national unity, Sardar Patel established the All India services, including IAS, IPS, IFS, to serve as instruments of a national cohesion and administrative excellence. He believed that these services would provide continuity, stability, and uniformity in governance across the country. His famous words calling the civil services the steel frame of India reflects his deep conviction that a united nation must be supported by a disciplined, dedicated, and merit-based administrative system. Today, these institutions continue to uphold his legacy by serving the nation with integrity and commitment. Under the inspiring leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, Rashtriya Ekta Divas is being celebrated across the nation to reaffirm our commitment to Ek Bharat, Shreshtha Bharat, a vision of national integration, inclusive growth, and collective progress. Our state of Meghalaya is known for its rich culture, diversity, and spirit of unity, is deeply embedded in our traditions. The people of Meghalaya have always upheld the very ideals of Sardar Patel. This value of peace, mutual respect, and existence. Unity does not mean uniformity. It means celebrating our differences while standing together for a shared purpose, which is the progress of our great nation. Let us commit ourselves to work together for a stronger and more prosperous India. May the spirit of national unity continue to guide us towards peace, development, and a bright future of Meghalaya and for India. Thanks to all of you. Kuble, Mitela, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.